Welcome to Algae Corner. Now we get many questions from you guys in the audience, but one common one we often get is, why do I have algae? Now quite simply, if you have water and sunlight, something's going to grow. Nearly every pond or lake system has many types of algae in it, and they get around in all sorts of neat ways, including just through the air. But they can attach to wildlife and be brought in, so again, it's nearly impossible to keep algae from coming in. Now, many of those algae in your pond are actually good. They make up the base of the food chain. They're grazed by benthic invertebrates or zooplankton and grow those big fish. So again, some types of algae are good for your pond system, but when they grow too fast or you get those nasty types that nothing likes to eat, that's when you often have nuisance algae overgrowth. So at CPRO, we focused on designing approved, ecologically sound, and strategic solutions to help you get things back on track in your pond and create more of a balanced system, taking out those nuisance nasty ones and selecting for those more beneficial ones. So in general, almost all aquatic systems innately have algae in them, but if yours is getting out of line, we can help you get that right prescription to get things balanced out and back on track. For more resources, please reach out to our trained technical specialists or visit cpro.com. Thank you.